right now we are decluttering and taking all the unnecessary things out of our house. For me specifically, I have to empty out this big dresser here because we have to throw it away today. In here I had a whole bunch of school papers and also these random things, but all of the school papers are out. I put some in this box that I want to keep, and like the other 5,000 papers we're throwing away. But I'm not done. I still have a few extra things to throw away or to put in other places. Some of these are empty though, which is good. And then I gotta declutter everything on top of the dresser. Guys, pray for me because this is gonna be a lot. Plus, today's the 4th of July, so Brother Peach is coming over. And once we're all done and doing all this housework, we're probably gonna go out to eat. Alright, I'm done. Everything in these drawers have been emptied and everything on the top has been taken off except for the TV, but that'll be dealt with later. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. And I have 2 boxes full of my stuff. I guess you gotta make a mess to clean a mess, right? Alright everybody, this is 2 days after the last time you saw me, and today I'm going to be getting rid of my beloved slime rack. I have a whole bunch of store-bought and homemade slimes on there, but I gotta get rid of them because obviously we can't move with the whole thing intact. Some slimes I'll be throwing away and the others I'll be keeping. If you guys want to see the actual videos of me taking them all down, make sure to go on my channel to see that process because I'm making a whole bunch of shorts about it. But for now, enjoy these sped up clips. Okay, so this whole rack is finally empty. But now I have an even bigger mess to clean here. Check out all the slimes that I got off though. Some of them, like these Elmer's Goo slimes, I'm gonna keep, but others gotta go. How am I gonna get this out of here now? And it's hot. Look, my hair is puffing up. If you're moving in the summer, just know that you're gonna be sweating. You'd probably even be sweating in the winter, so forget that. All right, don't mind how messy it might look in here, but my game plan is to just look through all this clutter and see what I wanna keep and what I don't wanna keep. I got this pack of matte lip gloss to use for slime, and I never did. Things to keep will be on my right, things to not keep will be on my left. Fidget clay, first of all, this is dried out. Throw away. Okay, it's looking a lot better. I tried to put everything in sections. Here I have empty glue containers that I'm gonna throw out. Some shaving cream that I might give Brother Peach because these are brand new basically. Full glue gallons, makeup products, crafting items, fidgets, random supplies, and just things that I want to keep maybe for decor. Ugh, this is taking longer than I thought, but I'm kind of enjoying it. Going to the Home Depot. Oops, not the car. Alright, so this is the box aisle. We definitely need a lot more boxes because I have a lot of stuff to pack in my room, and so does Mama Peach. I don't think we're gonna need bubble wrap, right? No. So this is extra large. She says that's too big. Is there just a large? Oh, large is over here.
This is
34.
We need 2 large.
How about 3? Just to make sure. I don't know if it's gonna fit in here. Well,
It's taking up the whole
cart.
Come on.
Wait, hold on. It's crowded. I just, because it's the box. Excuse me? Thank you. Ooh, it was so crowded, but we finally got it here.
Because I don't think we need
Ooh, not this being so zoomed in.
3 large boxes. I think we should get 2 large,
3 medium.
2 small.
Okay, that'll work. I use most of them. That's the thing. Sometimes small boxes are a waste because they can't even keep that much stuff. So what's the point?
Well, we could always come back if we need more.
Yeah, so we're done. Time to pack some stuff into these boxes. So I put all my makeup in these 2 makeup bags. Now I gotta tackle all of this. Just gonna put the camera there. I have a lot of perfumes here that I need to put away. I've had this one since 5th grade. That's 7 years. Should I get rid of it? I know I'm not gonna use it, but the memories. I'm just gonna keep it because I can use it as an air freshener, I guess. This Jimmy Choo Blossom perfume is literally done. I finished it. Yeah, I'm barely getting anything. Just look at it. But I gotta put it away. I can't keep keeping things that I really don't need. Pretty in peach. This one is literally on its last leg. I'm going to put in my makeup organizer. Oop. Alright then. I got this organizer that has a whole bunch of jewelry and random makeup stuff in here. I gotta sort through this. Wow, there's a lot going on in here. What have you been up to?
Sorting through these stuff.
I know, we got a lot of sorting to do. All this candy from the candy torch I used to make. Can you guys even see? Mirror. I'm just realizing that there's a lot of fresh new candy that's been in this box for like a year. Let's see the nipple nip. Nip on it.
Umbrella in here.
Still good. It tastes like a popsicle.
Yeah, I've been looking for this.
Oh my gosh. Actually scared me. Look at this. A fresh pack of Juicy Drop gummy dipping sticks. Really? Never opened. You guys remember this on my channel? Slime lickers. These are like closed shut because of all the dried candy. There's so much of it left. Even a brain liquor. Same thing. Oh, we got this like 3 or 4 years ago and I've just been refilling it, I guess. I forgot about this. Hello. Really? No wonder. There we go. This is actually kind of fun, guys. When you pack, you find a whole bunch of memorabilia and things you just forgot about.
What's the memorabilia? It's a jewelry that
I just broke this. Hello? Well, I guess that means it's time to go. A quick update. We've got a lot of boxes here for packing. And we're getting so much done here. Here's Mama Peach. Ooh, not the camera not focusing. Here she is sweeping the garage. Because we got to make the place look nice and clean before we leave.
I found some money.
What the?
Yeah.
Yesterday we did a whole bunch of cleaning, right? And that was really tiring. But we're not done.
This broom is just...
Ooh. What even happened? Yeah, get all the leaves and dirt. Are you a little scared? Mama Peach said she found a lizard in here.
It left though. I don't know how it got out.
Good. Well, it got out the way it came in, I'm sure. More money? What's going on? And you're not slick. She keeps stealing my slippers, so now I have to wear hers. Exposed.
Whatever.
Still got some more stuff to do. Everything is pretty much cleaned in here. We got to do this bathroom here, so I think I'm going to start taking care of this. Here I am vlogging, and the camera's is like halfway from... What the heck? The camera's halfway dead, I guess I should say. Anyways, let's start cleaning.
Put the camera over here somewhere.
We're doing this together.
Make sure it doesn't drop.
They cannot even see anything.
What do you mean?
What's the point? They can only see my legs. It is 9:37 right now, and the movers are supposed to come at 10. So I really hope my mom is here before they come, because I don't want to be here alone. I feel like we need some light in here. Ooh, kind of bright. Ooh, speaking of which, she just called. Let's take this down because everything is going. Ooh. Anyways, I'm super excited to make a whole bunch of moving vlogs for you guys. Because it's always nice to be in a new environment, you know? I'm used to moving. I think this might be my 4th time moving. Yeah, I think this is gonna be my 4th time. So yeah, this should be fun. All right, this is what we've got so far. My bed is also stripped down and everything. There's literally nothing in my room now. Okay, now I'm getting dizzy. So empty. Look at this. Hold on, I want to show our U-Haul truck. Hey, ready to go. Furniture that we left out here, it's gonna be thrown away. And my room is officially empty. I don't know why the floor is so dirty. I don't know what's going on there, but hey. Can you stop yelling in my vlog? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I just gotta clean the floor a little bit because we can't leave it like this. Guys, remember when you're moving, you gotta clean. Don't be leaving it looking ratchet and whatnot. I know there's regular wear and tear, but you gotta clean it. It's hot though. The AC is not on because everything's powered off. So it's super hot. Ooh, even this room. And the last room over here is also empty. Okay, this is like the most ridiculous thing ever. I have to sweep the carpet because we don't have a vacuum right now. We put it away and now this is our last resort. This is gonna be hard, but gotta do what I gotta do. It's collecting dirt and dust, but I really wish I had a vacuum right now. Ooh, ooh. Let's do a tap routine. It's too hot for this. Here's my bathroom, and it's empty. Bye, house. It's officially time to leave. What's going on with my voice? Ooh, the lighting, kind of bright.